Welcome to the CalEnviroScreen 4.0 data dashboard. The dashboard is an interactive online tool used for filtering, visualizing, and downloading the latest CalEnviroScreen data. The dashboard starts with a welcome window. From this window, you can access this video and the user guide, which provides additional details on how to use the dashboard. Click OK to get started. I'll start by giving you an overview of the dashboard components, then show you an example of how to use the filters. As you begin, you'll see all the components of the dashboard, including the CalEnviroScreen map. On the top right is a menu which contains links to additional resources. In the middle is the map panel, where you can view CalEnviroScreen data by census tract. This is identical to the main CalEnviroScreen results map, with the same red to green color scheme representing highest to lowest CalEnviroScreen percentile scores. The map panel includes buttons for legend view, zoom in or out, which can also be done with your mouse wheel, custom selection, and location search. To return to the statewide map view, press the Home button. On the left-hand panel are all of the data filters. With these filters, you can select areas of interest based on various geographies, CalEnviroScreen scores, and percentile ranges for any combination of the 21 CalEnviroScreen indicators. It can also select areas by ethnic or racial makeup. The data visualized in the map is responsive to the filters. When one or more filters are activated, only the census tracts that meet those criteria will be visible on the map. The custom selection tool in the map panel also acts as a filter. To clear the filter, click the X in the top left corner. The statistics panel on the right contains quick stats, an indicator percentile bar chart, and a percent race and ethnicity bar chart, all of which also update in response to the filters applied. The quick stats panel provides a simple snapshot of the filtered data. It contains a count of tracks shown on the map and 3 gauges with average values for the overall CalEnviroScreen, pollution burden, and population characteristics percentiles. The indicator bar chart is for visualizing average indicator percentiles for the filtered data. Each of CalEnviroScreen's 21 indicators are represented here. Average values for each indicator can be seen by hovering your mouse over the bars in the chart. The race and ethnicity bar chart is for visualizing average percent race to ethnicity for the filtered data. 7 race and ethnicity groups are represented and respond to all of the filters in the data filter panel. Unlike the indicator chart, this chart shows the average percent of the population that is a given race or ethnicity, not the percentile. Now I will go through an example showing how to use multiple dashboard filters to identify an area of interest. Let's say I'm only interested in census tracts in Fresno County with high particulate matter, or PM2.5, and high poverty. First, navigate to the county name filter. To select Fresno County, click the filter to expand it, then either scroll through the list of county names or type Fresno into the filter's search bar. For drop-down selectors such as county name, you may also select multiple entries at once. By activating the county filter, the map and all of the figures in the statistics panel have been updated to reflect only the census tracts in Fresno County. Next, let's filter for high PM2.5. CalEnviroScreen indicators can be filtered using the slider to set minimum and maximum percentiles. Here, I'll adjust the PM2.5 slider so that the minimum percentile is 75. If desired, the maximum slider can also be adjusted. Now we can set the poverty filter in the same way. Together, these filters select census tracts in Fresno County with PM 2.5 and poverty values over the 75th percentile. The map and statistics panels now only reflect the 102 census tracts that meet the filters we just activated. You can also click on individual census tracts in the map to view a pop-up window containing CalEnviroScreen data for that tract. Filters may be reset individually by clicking the Reset button on that filter. To clear all filters and return to the default dashboard layout, click the blue Reset button in the bottom right corner of the dashboard window. Now I will explain how to download your filtered data. Click the Data Download button in the lower left-hand corner of either the indicator chart or the race and ethnicity chart and choose Source Data or Summarize Data. A source data download includes data for all census tracts that meet the filtered criteria. In this example, your spreadsheet will contain the CalEnviroScreen data for these 102 census tracts. A summarized data download only includes the values as shown in this summarized chart, meaning only the average indicator or race and ethnicity values for these 102 census tracts. Because the download does not indicate which filters are active, we recommend recording the filters you have in place before downloading the data. For more information on how to use this dashboard, please see our user guide, which can be accessed in the menu links or in the splash screen before the dashboard. Please contact us if you have any questions or to provide feedback.